What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a portfolio update. So before I do get into this video, I'm going to quickly say, hit that subscribe button if you're brand new here. I do it once a week, showing you my portfolio, whether it's up or down, so hopefully it's quite relatable for you people. I might actually do a Palantir video, as I haven't done one in a very long time. I've just been very busy, so that's why I haven't been doing that many uploads, but I do enjoy the portfolio update, sitting down. Obviously the last, to be honest with you, the last few weeks, the last 8 episodes, it's been a bit of a rough ride with the portfolio updates. We've not had any good positive updates really. It's looking better this week, so let's have a look. So the first one is Alibaba, and this hasn't done that well. This week it's gone down 2.71%, and we're down £59. It just always stays there. Apple, we've got 7 shares of Apple, and we're up £18, so not too bad with Apple. Argo blockchain, 46 shares. Bitcoin's had a massive hit, and that's one thing I want to point out. I'm not in Bitcoin, I'm not in Ethereum, I'm not in this Dogecoin, I'm not in any of that crypto world, and I was anticipating a bit of a sell-off at some point, because if you look at the graph, it's ridiculous how much it's been going up, and I was kind of waiting on the sidelines to get in at an early price, and it's starting to look quite good getting into these prices, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be buying in just yet. I might see if it does go down any more, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. But just a heads up that I am actually starting to look into get some crypto on the app called Coinbase. Aston Martin, 4.63 shares, I'm up £25 with that. Barrett Developments, 9 shares, I'm up £19.91. Bionano Genomics, 46.6 shares, I'm up £22.53. Churchill Capital, this is one of my biggest holdings, as you guys know if you've stayed tuned and watched these type of portfolio updates. I am on 168 shares now, and I ended up buying, did I buy 10 or 15 shares? I'm not too sure exactly. I bought about 10 or 15 more shares of Churchill Capital, as it's been hit massive. It's been hit so bad, but within the last week it's gone up 5%. But yeah, it got into the 19s, and I thought, let's pick up some. So my average is now $26. We couldn't get it down to the 25, which is disappointing. FRX, 30 shares roughly, and I'm down £72. It's just staying flat. Gevo, 102 shares. I bought 2 shares of this. It's to $6.64. Like, honestly, if I wasn't in Gevo, I would be wanting to get into it at this price. Like, I really would. And I have got a massive feeling about money is starting to slowly, I think, get into tech and growth stocks again. And we've had, if you really think about it, we've had about 2 months of this now, maybe even a bit more than 2 months of just downward spiral with growth stocks and tech stocks. So I think we're going to start seeing a bit more of some positive upwards movement with these growth stocks. So have a look at these stocks and keep some in mind, because you might like the look of these. Palantir, within the last week it's gone up 4%, and I've got 343 shares of this. Did I buy 3 more shares? I think I bought like 3 shares or something, and I am now got an average of $24.73, and I'm down £419. But I think we're going to start seeing some, like I said, some good movement with some of these stocks. Senseonics, I've got 89 shares of this, and I'm down £87. Tesla didn't have the best of weeks. It went down 1.38%, but at least it didn't go down a lot. And I've got 1 share, and I'm up £81 on that. Wish I got another share or 2 at the time when I did buy it, but it's easy to say that. Virgin Galactic, I've actually got a swing trade in mind about Virgin Galactic, and I'll go on to that. Well, I'll go on to it now. So in my invest account, I do a lot of swing trades or holdings or just short-term plays. This is in my ISA, obviously, so this is like a long-term hold. And they've got a test flight, I think, in May. I'm thinking buying now and sell in May, because the test flight, it normally runs up quite a lot when there's anticipation of this test flight. So that's what I might be doing with the spare funds in my invest account, which you'll see in a minute. So my total portfolio in this one is 11,126, and we're down £1,506, and I'll get into the percentage gains or losses later on in the video. So this is another one that I'm potentially thinking of buying into the ISA, if I'm honest, because I wish I'd bought, I didn't know you could get this in the ISA, but I now know you can. So I'm a bit annoyed that I didn't get this in the ISA, because this would be perfect for an ISA. So I've got 103 shares of Granite Long Neo, so pretty much if it goes up 10%, this goes up 30% Neo. So I'm down £32. So I was thinking I might get some in the ISA account, get some money and put it in the ISA. All right, A-row, 48 shares and I'm down £146. Damn, that's horrible. And this is like a swing trade, well, before the crash kind of happened, and I've just ended up sticking with the company because it is a good company at the end of the day anyway, so why sell at this price when I know in the future it probably will be higher. EHang, long-term hold this one, 2 shares of this, I'm down £54. It's been hit obviously really badly. Very embarrassing, to be honest. That's another thing, last week, thank you so much for the support, because last week was horrible showing my portfolio, and it still is. Like, who wants to show their portfolio when you're down 57% on a stock? Like, you don't want to, but that's the whole point of this series. And then HCMC, I'm down £4 on this, 16,000 shares. Hirecard, this was a swing trade and I finally am in profit. We're up 12%, which is really good. 12% is really good. Yeah, I'm going to be selling this soon. I'm not actually going to sell it now because I believe it's going to go up a bit more. It probably is a good spot where you could sell now. But I've been seeing advertisement now with Hirecar on the TV, if you guys have seen it at all. But yeah, that's a swing trade that I might sell Monday. Lake Resources, long-term hold this one, 905 shares, down £31. And then Neo, someone commented saying, why don't I put my money that I have in Neo into that 3x long? And to be honest with you, I was thinking that quite a lot actually, because I can get it in, because I love Neo as a company, but you can't get it in the ISA. But this 3x long thing you can, but obviously you could get hit really bad if it goes wrong. Take the £145 loss and run away and take this £1,000 and put it in the ISA 3x long. So if you are still watching this video right now, comment below please, because I really want your help. Do you think I should sell this position, get the 3x long Neo shares in my ISA? So yeah, and I do really think obviously Neo's going to grow massively, so that's my plan, and I need you guys to help me out here. I need some feedback on, should I accept the £145 loss and just put that money with the 3x long, because I could make that back pretty quick obviously if it goes up. So that's something, you guys, I really want your help, so please leave in the comments if I should do that, because I'll probably go off what you guys think. I'm 50-50 with it. No, now I think about it, it probably is the smart move to do, because I'm in Neo, because I'm investing in it, because I believe in the company and how it's going to do. So why not just go in something that's going to give me more returns because it's a 3x long? Anyway, leave in the comments. Skills, 10 shares of this and I'm down £44. This was a swing trade, but it's a solid company anyway, so I'm not too bothered. So this portfolio is worth £1,939 and I'm down £444. Not great, but also I have got £72 in cash, and that is from because I sold Palantir, and now I need to think, where am I going to put that money in? So yeah, that's something I'm going to be thinking about, and that's where I think I might be putting it, and it will be maybe in space, and I'll swing trade that, but we'll see. So now we're going to add up the portfolio, so let's have a look. So my portfolio is worth £13,137, not too bad whatsoever, and it's gone up a bit. So let's have a look at my percentage gains. So in my ISA account, I've gone up 2.8%, not too bad whatsoever, 2.8%, I'll take that within a week, big time. And then the next one with my invest account, I have gone up 9.9%. 9.9%, I'll take that any day in a week. That's so much better than the bank's interest, obviously. So yeah, I'm very happy with the percentage gains. Obviously, if I put my money in the bank account, I would have actually saved money because I'm obviously down quite a lot, but in the long term, I'll be beating the banks easily, I hope. So that's that for my video. Hopefully you did enjoy the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's try and hit 100 likes, 100 likes. We haven't hit 100 likes in a very long time, so if you can smash that like button, that'd be much appreciated. Subscribe if you're brand new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.